Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you some of the basic techniques of the video timeline feature in Canva. This feature is going to be very helpful, especially when you are trying to create a video or a presentation slide. So by default, you are not going to see this video timeline. So that's why I'm going to show you how you can open it, and also some basic features or functions that you could use to make your workflow easier. So let's get started. Alright, this is the same document as the one that you have seen before. This is actually a presentation slide document. That's why you see that it's a bit different than the other format that you're probably using right now. But that's okay, that doesn't really matter. What you need to do now to open the video timeline is you have to click on thumbnail view. And after that, you will see some sort of thumbnails or snippet of the document that you are working on. And if you are working on a video, I do recommend to enable duration, because this will allow us to see the duration of each segment or each page of the document. And also there's this play button that lets you play the entire video or the entire animation. If there is a transition or animation, that will be played as well. But this document that I have right now doesn't have any animation, but that's okay. So that's basically how you can open this video timeline. But of course, it's not fair to talk about video without audio, because audio is a very important element on a video. And I'm going to add some background music to this document. I'm going to visit the element section and search for lo-fi music. And let's navigate to the music or audio section. And I'm going to just select any music, it doesn't really matter. And let's drag it to the timeline. This is where you can get the file into your document, into your presentation or into your video. And to preview that, you can click on this button. Okay. That is the music. Now, if you want to trim the audio, you want to cut some of the section of the audio, you can right click. Oh, by the way, you have to put this playhead somewhere, and then you want to right click on it, click split audio, and you can also do the same for other section. Let's say I want to isolate this element and I want to remove it. And after that, I can adjust the volume. I could add some fading effect, or I could also just delete the track if I want to. And speaking about deleting, you can delete the segment or delete the page as well. You can right click on any of that and click delete page, and that will be removed. But what if you just want to make the page or the section to appear longer, shorter? Well, in that case, you can hover the cursor above these two sides, and then you can click on it, drag it to the left or the right, depending on the duration that you want to get. Dragging it like this will make it longer, while dragging it like this will make it shorter. You will see there is a duration of the page, and now by default is 5 seconds, but you can make it longer or shorter. So that's the basic of duration of each page. And when you're done, you can start previewing the whole creation, and then you can share your document. You can export it as an MP4 file. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how you can open the video timeline and some of the basic techniques in that feature. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.